Howdy there, welcome to the Woodshop Cowboy Workshop. Today we are going to make some benches, and the first thing we're going to do is cut these 1 by 10s down into little squares about 2.5 inches wide and at this thickness of the 2 by. So let's get it started. So now that we've got a square edge here, we can run it through the, we'll run them at 2 inches, and that should give us 3 parts out of each of these little 18 inch sections of 2 by 10s. And each one of these will be a strut to use in that bookshelf. Alright, so let's get started. So here at the miter saw, we're going to take one of our beams and we're going to chop 2 45s off each end. It's going to look like this. And we do that so when we put them together, they'll sit nice and even, right, onto the studs. This end will be attached to the stud. This end will get attached to the stud, and we'll end up with a really great looking shelving unit right there. Just like that. Alright, so let's put our ears on and get started. And since I want to be able to repeat all my cuts, I'm going to put a stop block right here. Alright, so here we are, and we're ready to assemble. So I've got my cross beam and my two pieces here. So I come in, and with this little guy, this little jig here, it's about this is about 2 3/4 of an inch, a 45 degree, about 4 inches. What's going to do is it's going to set this guy up here. Do that right. There we go. It'll set this guy up so that when it holds up like this, we're about 3 inches from this spot to this edge right here. It's actually 3.5. That's how big your 2x4 is. And we're going to drill and screw right there. And so this is 2.5 inch construction screws. We'll just go on down in there, just like that. Now for this next step, I'm simply going to come in on top, match that up, get that matched right there, try to even them out. I didn't do a very good job matching those two up, but there we go. And right here's where I'm going to be drilling in. So drill here, I like to drill it in. Take one of my 2.5 inch screws. Screw it down. Take this out. There we go. There's our working piece. Oh, that's remarkably bad. There's our working piece. Alright, so now we're going to install this here bracket. I'm on the lower shelf. I've already got a couple installed, and simply, guys, I'm just going to kind of line it up. I'm going to find my mark and pre-drill and screw right here on the side. I'll give you a better view of that in a moment. shelves are built. The brackets are installed. Now we just need to throw some lumber up here. I use one by pine, about 6 feet tall. About a 1 by 8 should make 2 of these spots right here. So there you go. That's it. Let's look. Alright, so the lumber yard is up and running. You can see I've got a small selection. I've got some birch from an old project right here that's just waiting for something to do with it. Plenty of cherry and maple from the cutting boards. If you're ever interested, go down to Nova Labs. I teach there. Cutting boards right there. We've got some maple. We've got some, I think this is some sort of, this is an exotic. What am I doing? It's in the wrong spot. There we go. There we are. And way up on top, a lot of ipe, right? A lot of exotic material up on the top. So there you go. That's the bracket shelving. You can install them in a basement. You can install them in a shed like this. Anything that has these 2x4s, they're a pretty quick project. Probably took me about 4 to 5 hours total in the shop just to cut it down and then come out here, clear space, film it and everything like that. So great little project. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Catch you later.